In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Edge. It's showing a blank white screen on Windows computer. Now, with further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing, open the search menu and just type in apps and features. Now, the first thing that pops up, just go ahead and open that up. And now, after you open that, just go ahead and type in the search apps. Go ahead and type in Edge. Now, the Edge browser will be the first thing. Now, just go ahead and click on the three dots located at the right and go click on Modify. After that, just go ahead and click on Repair and just wait for it to repair by itself. And after that, you should be good to go. The Edge browser will open by itself after the repair. Now just go to the top right of the screen, click on the three dots. Go ahead and click on Extensions, and if you see any type of extension you don't want, you can easily disable it by going to Manage Extensions. And you can disable it manually, as you can see here. Just click on it and it will be disabled. And that was a quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.